Firstly, action. To test each battery module's current voltage, turn the multimeter onto the DC gear. Single battery module's rated voltage is 48 volt. Now test is 49.5 volt. Then we buckle the terminal protective sleeve. Second module, 49.5 volt. Third module, 49.5 volt. Fourth module, 49.5 volt. After testing voltage, for safety consideration, to buckle all the terminal with protective sleeve. The cover makes a click sound when it snaps into place. Second step. 3 high voltage power wires, same length. First step. The positive pole of the fourth module is initially locked. Must add spring pads. Because the current is large, the wire must be vertical. After lock the wires, to buckle the terminal with protective sleeve. Then the second step. The wire must be vertical, because the current power is big. If it is not vertical, the wire will be very hot. After tightening, buckle the terminal with protective sleeve. Red protective sleeve buckles positive red, black buckles black. Then third step, connection. Refer to the operation of the first Sun series connection. After connecting 4 modules in series, to test the battery system voltage, the meter tests the general positive and general negative port for the system. It shows 198.3 volt. That means the series connection is correct. Connect the general positive pole with master control positive pole. Tighten the screw. Buckle the protection sleeve. General negative port connect with master control negative port. Next, we connect the communication wires. Master communication wires connect with sleeve controls communication port. D port and D port can be used in common. Then connect other sleeve controls communication port one by one. Sort out the wires. Fifth step, to test master controls general voltage. Open the switch, you will hear the sound of the machine running. Then test the voltage. 198.3 voltage is the correct voltage for this battery system. Then you can connect with load or output. Check communication, battery system data and overhaul. Connect RS485 CAN A with communication box transfer to USB port to connect with laptop. Open the upper software. If the system is not charging or discharging, it will display the standby state. It shows SOC, general and each module voltage, current. There is a fault alarm for first level, second level and third level. Also can see each battery cell's voltage and temperature. Total 60 pieces cells, 4 modules, 32 temp controls. Parameter can be set. First level alarm, second level cutoff, third level lockout. Our BMS can also support remote data upgrade, no matter master or slave control. Facilitate subsequent updates and maintenance. The entire system completes the connection and communication.